Hi guys, I'd like to invite you to make this job as an inspector and a cleaner for this car industry. So yeah, the salary starts at 200,880 yen to 251,100 yen. So if you're interested to this job, please go to our job fair, which is held Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 o'clock, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 2 o'clock p.m. And there are over 20 companies introduce their jobs to our company. So yeah, and every time you will come here, you will get one free ticket. And this ticket will serve as your access to your job interview. And this blue ticket will serve as your free meal for that day. So if you are interested, please contact our hotline, which is 036206 8058, and our address is in Kanda Sudacho, Chiyodoku, here in Tokyo, Japan. So yes, thank you.